Hey guys, and welcome to Industrial Whimsy. I am in a bit of a corner of my craft room, and I wanted to show you guys some of the new kits that I have just listed in the web shop and up on the website. And so I wanted to show you the pattern, the original samples, and then show you some of the kits that I put together. This one is the knit and purl wrap. This is a wonderful, cozy, sort of medium weight shawl or wrap, and it's basically a blanket. I mean, it's an excuse to have a blanket with you wherever you go, right? Nice and cozy, very warm. I absolutely love it. Don't get to wear it too often where I'm from in Texas, but it's one of my favorites, and it's beginner friendly. If you can knit and you can purl, then you can make the knit and purl wrap. And it's just a combination of 3 simple stitches and 6 skeins of worsted or DK weight yarn. It's a lot of fun. It's soothing to make, and you know, it's just one of those projects that really loves you back. It is substantial. You will love it. So one of the kits that I have for the knit and purl wrap comes with a set of stitch markers, some beautiful little stitch markers for you on a little tassel keychain that you can store the markers on. And I'll put a picture of close-ups and everything of all this for you. But you'll get the digital pattern to download and print at home. And I will mail you the stitch markers and the yarn. Now, the kit that I put together for this knit and purl wrap would be these 3 solid colors with these 3 tonal colors. And I love how rich they are. You get a little bit of muted tones with the lilac, and then you get this richness here. These Malabrigo colors are always full of surprises, and they're absolutely beautiful though. And super duper soft, cozy, blanket shawl worthy. So that is the knit and purl wrap. And I want to show you is a little bit also the same weight, a medium weight. This is the road trip shawl, and it starts from the smallest point, and it has a butterfly stitch and then some garter stitching. And then it does a textured rose, some more garter stitch, and then it does flowers, some little florals with little baubles in the middle. And then it ends with garter stitch and these little eyelet peacoats on the edge there. And this is a fun wrap. You get to explore different lace, easy lace, nothing, you know, too difficult beyond, you know, yarn over, knit 2 together, slip, knit, you know, nothing that's going to make you pull your hair out. And it's so fun to wear. I'm about 5'2", so it's kind of big on me. But I love it because it's like a hug, right? So for the road trip shawl, I'm gonna put it here so you can kind of see it. But for the road trip shawl, it comes with a butterfly stitch marker, a little butterfly wing. And then this yarn is similar to the original sample, where you're gonna have sort of a blue and a red and some pink in it. But these Malabrigo colors are so, like I said earlier, they're just rich in tone, lots of color changes to keep things interesting and fun. So it's a little bit similar to the original. Okay, so this next one is a little bit more springtime, and this is the Landscapes shawl. And I designed it, you know, just sort of inspired by different landscapes. This one's obviously tropical with the sand and the ocean and maybe some pink flamingos and sort of tropical vibes. You know, you can do anything from the mountains or the lakes or a field of wildflowers. And this one is very lightweight, and I usually wear this one as a scarf with the triangle forward, but it is definitely big enough to wear over your shoulders. It is smaller than those previous ones, than like the road trip shawl or anything like that, but it's very nice, good for Easter, you know, or any kind of air-conditioned building whenever you're going inside and you need something kind of light on your shoulders. That's a very good one for that as well. And so for the landscape shawl, it does have a little bit more complicated lace and textured designs. It's got baubles, and so I know some people don't particularly love baubles, but they're fun. The final effect is sort of worth it. And so for this kit, I have put together a nice set of stitch markers, greens with a little gold tulip stitch marker, and I'll put a photo of that close up. And I've chosen a little bit deeper colors for this kit. A little bit deeper of a pink, it's more of like a hot pink, a dark blue, and sort of a water's teal. I thought that would be so pretty, sort of almost like a deeper version, and I love it. It's a little bit ocean, maybe like cruise, and this is another sort of version of my original one that I made as a sample. So that would be really beautiful together. And that's the landscape shawl kit. Okay, the next kit is the SeaFoam Shawl, another summer shawl. And this one is open. It's got wonderful sort of foamy waves, very easy to do technique. There is a video on this shawl, and you finish it off with some fun tassels. It takes 600 yards of DK weight, and now this yarn that I originally did it in is discontinued, but it was a cotton and wool blend, and it's around DK weight. And so when you wear it, you get sort of these opened, elongated stitches. And the kit, I've chosen this yarn, which I think will look really great. This is a wool, and so, but I think with the drape and the openness of it, it's going to be really great to wear anywhere. And then this one, I thought these colors would be a lot of fun, just sort of brights, pinks. It's got purple, it's got some green. I mean, it's kind of got a little bit of everything in these very fun colors. I love this, and I think it'll be great. And it comes with a seashell stitch marker with a bead, and that you'll use during the pattern. So that is the SeaFoam Shawl. This next pattern is the Knit Below pattern. Now, you may have watched my video on the Knit Below shawls. It's a tutorial. It'll teach you how to start with a garter tab cast on here. This is where you start the shawl. You start with a garter tab, and then you do this amazing texture stitch. It's so fun, and in a tonal yarn like this, it looks absolutely wonderful because the texture gives it depth, but then the color also gives it another layer of depth. And I love this one. It's cozy. You got to finish it off with some big fluffy tassels. Let's see the size of it when you put it on. So you can see. And the texture again is just a winner. If you love texture, you're gonna love this shawl. And again, there is a video here on my channel, tells you exactly what you need to do to make this one. And the kit, you know, is really, it's 3 skeins of worsted or DK weight yarn. This color would look amazing because it's got so much going on all inside and around it, and it's gonna just pop, especially with that texture. Also, this one will look really well in the knit below stitch. It just will have all of that white and blue teal playing off of each other and giving you just so many layers of color. And that's the knit below shawl. All right, the last one is the trail mix wrap. And this is one of my samples here. I did this one with mini skeins, 10 mini skeins and 2 full skeins. And the original sample, you can see I actually used 2 different colors. We used sand and a variegated color. This one's called Poción. And it gave it so much depth. Basically a rainbow of colors. It is absolutely beautiful. I'll put a close up there, and so you can see just how wonderfully these 2 work up when you get 2 of a neutral background and then 2 of something that is just variegated, wildly colorful. It doesn't look like it's going to show that much color, but each stitch really brings it out. And I also have kits with minis if you were wanting to do something like this, where each section is a different mini. So you keep the same background color all throughout, and then with each section you change your color to a different mini. And this one I had pinks that went into blue and ended up in a cream. And for you guys, I have a summer kind of a spring collection. It is got coral and fun teal. It's got a variegated, beautiful, just beautiful colors, a sand, and then the background would be this neutral or this dark blue. So whichever one you love best, you could have the dark, this is the same dark blue that I used here. It could be with these, or if you prefer the light white cream, which I love. This also comes with a pair of stitch markers to use during the project, and then these stitch markers are actually, I mean, once you're done, then you can just wear them as earrings like I do. So that's always fun to use your stitch markers and then just wear them as earrings after that. And now they're jewelry that matches your project. So that's kind of fun, and I hope that you enjoy that. And I hope that you enjoy these kits I've put together. If you see a different color combination, let me know, send me a message. You know, let me know if I can put something together for you. If you see a pattern on my website and you want a kit, you want me to pick colors for you or help you decide, just send me a message. You can use the chat box there on the website, and I'm always, well, I don't want to say always, but I'm mostly free to chat with you and help you out and help you find your perfect project. So thank you guys for watching. Please check out the other tutorial videos on the trail mix wrap, the knit below shawl, the SeaFoam shawl, the road trip shawl also has a video. So check those out and see which one's your favorite and which one you want to cast on next. I want to also let you know that if you go to industrialwhimsy.net and you subscribe to the email newsletters, which of course is free, you will immediately receive a coupon code to use on your next purchase, and you can receive your knit kit with a coupon, a discount. And so I just wanted to make sure that you guys knew that. Thank you so much for your subscribing to YouTube, and I hope that you guys enjoy the videos and the tutorials. And if you want to see a tutorial to something specific to a certain stitch or a certain pattern, just let me know.